They're seeing each other for two. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll go first.
Yeah.
You saw Black Queen is load shedding. Your mommy says, good night, wherever you are.
Ooh. Yeah, it is so big when you walk past the monkey says Bluetooth connected.
I forgot about that one. Let's see. You know who Dumbo is?
Dumbo, yeah.
The elephant.
Dumbo the elephant.
Your ears are so big, Dumbo gets jealous.
Your teeth is so long that Bugs Bunny got jealous.
Ayan.
Yeah.
So skinny that the stick says, oh, you my dad!
And I used to like when he lied on the grass. Your mommy asked who burned the grass. Now I gotta go to the
Ayan.
Yeah.
You so, let me think of one, okay? You're so fat when you walk around, when you walk across the street. It takes you 365 days to walk around, across the street.
You so old, you took 9 years to make a joke.
Okay. You saw me. Let me think of one.
You're so short.
Hey, me so short.
You're so short when the ant saw you. He said, why are you 2 times smaller than me? Because you're a little crumb.
Ayan.
You're so thin.
You're so short, nah? That an ant says we could be siblings.
You're so short when that fishing rod saw you. He said, why are you thinner than me? Your line is so big. Not a lot. Like inside of your body. Your bloodline is so skinny that little blood comes in your body.
Yes. That you make the waves run away.
Your line is so skinny. Cockroaches made houses in it. Okay. Your head is so small.
I have longer than him. Yeah, than him.
Now, your body is so small that ants started loving in you.
Your nose is so big you can smell things from a mile away.
Your ears is so big when you sleep, you hear everything.
Okay. Watch part 3, guys. It's gonna be a part 3.
And a part 4.
And a 4.